This is my practical legal training week vlog. So I started off my day doing my usual morning routine. So I read my book, I went on Pinterest, I made my bed to make it all neat, and of course I did my skincare as well. Because it was too dark for a walk, I did an indoor workout, I took a shower, had my breakfast, got ready, and got dressed up, already looking like a wannabe lawyer. I then drove to the train station and I made sure that I wasn't going to miss my train, but I ended up just needing to wait for it for a couple more minutes. And then in the train, I edited my vlog, and once I got there, I made my way to the practical legal training building, not before grabbing a coffee first. So I got a matcha in this yellow cup, and then I made my way up to the building, and because I got there really super early, I was in the room by myself. I then did my first assessment, which was a client interview, which I passed, and then I rewarded myself with a spontaneous solo date for lunch. And then I went back to the building, and there was like this cute place where I could get some work done. So I got some content work done and sent job applications. I then went on another walk to get my steps up before going back for the workshop for the rest of the day. And it was so crowded on the train, I didn't get to sit down at all. So yeah, I couldn't wait to get home. I made myself some dinner and I relaxed with some TV. I think I'm finally going to talk. Basically everything was just like bang, like one thing after another, and after dinner I just spent the next hour just relaxing. I decided that I just want to do some decluttering. A bag that I use literally everywhere, and I have been using this for like the past 4 years. I've got to say, I will do now is wrap up for the night, and I will be back tomorrow. So it is now day 2 of the PLT immersive. So of course I did my usual morning routine habits. I don't need to show it again, but yeah, I drove straight to the train station. So it is day 2 of my immersive PLT, and I'm leaving later than I had originally planned. So I'm gonna drive to the station and get there, but luckily I don't have to rush too much there. I'm gonna go. Once I got to the train station, I made my way to the train, and it wasn't super crowded as it was yesterday, but I was still standing up at the start of the train ride, but I didn't mind. But once I got to sit down though, I edited my YouTube vlog, and I got to take my time this morning because this morning were mainly the assessments, and you had like appointment for those assessments, and mine went until a couple of hours. So once I got to the building, I dropped off my stuff and first of all grabbed a coffee from the cafe in this really cute cup. I did some of my preparatory for my assessment, and then I grabbed some food at this bagel place, and the bagels tasted so good. And then it was time for my first assessment, which was for criminal law, and then my second assessment, which was for family law. I socialized with the other grads afterwards, and then there was another workshop to end the day, and then made my way back, and I got to sit down on the train this time. Yay. And once I got home, I had dinner, and that was pretty much all I filmed for the day. So I'm just gonna start off this day by me at the train station, where I did miss my train, but that's fine anyways because I'm not in a hurry. I did edit my vlog while waiting for the train and on the train. And this morning there was a couple of seminars that we had to attend, and once those were done, we got to have a quick little coffee break, and I ended up getting a matcha and also got some fresh air as well. We then had another workshop, and then we got to have our lunch break, and I got to socialize more with the other grads. I went on a walk on my own. We had a few interactive activities today. I even got a tea break during the middle of it. But yeah, that was pretty much all that we did. And then it was time for the ride home. I submitted some job applications in the train as well. And then I just relaxed and chilled. And hi. It was a long day today, even though we ended early. I'm super tired, but I think I'm just gonna wrap up the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.